Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Teams and signing in with your work or personal account. Once signed in, join or start the meeting so the camera preview is active. You need that live feed. Make sure your camera is on and visible in the preview pane, then click the three dots or background settings icon next to the camera. This gets you straight into the change flow without extra setup. You're now positioned to select or upload a background before entering the meeting. Now choose a background effect from the list. Pick blur for subtle privacy or select a built-in image for consistency. Once done, use Add New to upload a JPG or PNG if you want a custom image. Teams accepts typical image sizes, so avoid extremely large files. After selecting or uploading, preview how your face and lighting look against that background. If the edge detection or lighting looks off, try a different image or adjust room lighting until the preview appears natural and clean. Finally, click Apply or Done to set the background for this meeting. Your choice will persist for subsequent calls until changed. If the background fails to appear or displays artifacts, first toggle your camera off and on, then restart Teams. Temporary glitches often clear that way. If problems continue, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled and your device meets Teams system requirements, because low-spec hardware can prevent background effects. One key troubleshooting tip: update Teams to the latest version before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.